To study the elements in a proper way to take a much more long time. So that's why the elements all are gathered in a one table. It is called periodic table, and it is the classification is known as periodic classification. First observation, it is held by the British Daubernet in the year 1929. He predicted the properties of three elements which is having physical and chemical properties are similar. Is called as triads. The triad contains three elements. The average atomic weight of the first and last elements is equal to the middle element. And the second observation is to be known as law of octaves. It is proposed by the John Newlands in the year 1856. Law of octaves. It contains 8 elements. The first element and 8th element are chemically and physically are similar, as like Sarigamapa. As first similar to the 8th one. As like in the table, hydrogen similar to fluorine, fluorine similar to chlorine, and another one is lithium, lithium similar to sodium, and it is similar to potassium. As the Newlands table contains 56 elements only. The third observation is Manleaf observation. He proposed a theory, it is called a periodic law. Firstly, the periodic law was discovered by the Manleaf. The physical and chemical properties of the elements of their periodic functions to their atomic weights. And the fourth observation held by the H.J. Moseley by the observing X-ray characteristic manner. He proposed the modern periodic law. Modern periodic law means the physical and chemical properties of the elements to their electronic configuration of their atoms in the year 1913. He predicted the table with the help of electronic configuration. The simple diagram of the modern periodic table. It is S block, P block, D block, and F block. S block contains vertical lines are called groups. It contains 2 groups. And P block contains 6 groups. And D block contains 10 groups. And the horizontal lines are called periods. It contains 7 periods. The arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table depends upon electronic configuration. Firstly, the hydrogen in 1s. The first 30 elements in the periodic table: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. It contains 18 periods. The first period, first group name, 1A, 2A, and it is 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, and the 3 one is 8B, 1B, 2B, 3A, 2A, 5A, 6A, and 7A, and last one 0. The zero group elements are called inert gases or noble gases. The F block elements are called laminates, actinides. The properties in the periodic table contain different ranks in groups and periods. First property, valency. Valency means the combining power with a respective oxygen or hydrogen. The valency in the groups seen. Periods increase to 0 to 4, decrease to 4 to 0. Second property is atomic radius. Atomic radius increases in a group, decreases in periods. The third property is electronnegativity. It is decreases in groups, increases in periods. The fourth property is electronegativity. It is decrease in groups, increase in periods. The fifth property is electron ionization energy. It is also decrease in groups, increase in periods. The sixth property is electropositive. It is quietly refers to the electronegativity. So it is increase in groups, decrease in periods. The seventh property is metallic nature. The metallic nature increase in groups, decrease in periods. The last final property is non-metallic nature. The non-metallic nature is widely refers to that metallic nature. So it is decrease in groups, increase in periods. So these are the properties in the periodic table to know about the variations in groups and periods. So thank you.